Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the front-facing webcam ZIF connector and disconnect the front-facing webcam ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the front-facing webcam from the adhesive on the display enclosure. Remove the front-facing webcam and place it in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the front-facing webcam from the static-dissipative bag. Insert the front-facing webcam ribbon cable into the front-facing webcam ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Place the front-facing webcam into position on the display enclosure and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.